Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a print quality report on a HP DeskJet 3070A. This is a great first step in troubleshooting any print quality issues you're having, as it will show you what colour you're having problems with. So to start with, you'll want to get to your maintenance. So if you see that little spanner there, we'll just click that. Then we'll scroll down to Tools, which is the number 4, and press OK. From here you can do a wide range of things, but for now we're going to go down to the print quality report, which again is number 4, and you're just going to press OK, and it will print a report page. So we'll just take this page out, and as you can see, this one has some major problems. Obviously the black's almost completely out, the cyan's completely out, the magenta's completely out, the whole print head needs cleaning. So if you would like to see how we clean the print head, please see our videos on how to clean the print head for this printer. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. If you want to leave a comment, please let us know. And thank you for watching.